This is Caesar's Palace, one of the most famous hotels in Las Vegas. But today, I'm not exactly staying at Caesar's. Hidden inside Caesar's Palace is a separate luxury boutique hotel called Nobu. It has its own check-in area and rooms that are supposed to feel more luxurious than the standard Caesar's rooms. But is Nobu actually worth booking instead? Let's find out. The Nobu Hotel is located right by the Nobu restaurant. This is a great Japanese restaurant. If you like sushi, you're gonna love this one. The Nobu check-in area is separated from the main Caesar's Palace front desk, so you have to check in there. Guests receive complimentary coffee and tea in the morning, and every evening from 5 to 6, there's a happy hour with one complimentary drink. I also have to mention that the customer service was excellent. They let me check in early at no additional charge, and they even called me as soon as my room was ready. And this was not a normal hotel room. I got upgraded, and the moment I walked in, I realized just how enormous it was. Right by the entrance is a guest bathroom with a very modern Japanese-inspired design. They provide bath products and other necessities, and everything looks very polished. Next to it is the kitchenette and bar area, with a coffee machine, snacks for purchase, and even an intimacy kit. But there was also a large stain on the countertop that looked like they had tried and failed to remove. Underneath, there's a mini bar stocked with drinks, lots of Pepsi, and a little space for your own stuff. They also provide an ice bucket, glasses, and 2 small complimentary bottles of water. And this is the main living space. Yes, there is a pool table in the room. This suite honestly feels more like an apartment than a hotel room. There's a 65-inch TV, artwork throughout the space, Japanese-style paintings, and even a separate media room with another television. You could easily host a small party in here. This is called the Nobu Sake Suite, and if you can get a complimentary upgrade or even upgrade for a reasonable fee, I think this suite is absolutely worth it. Now let's go look at the bedroom. The Japanese-inspired design continues in here, and this bedroom is fairly similar to what you would receive if you booked one of Nobu's standard rooms. I love the cherry blossom wallpaper, and there's another sitting area near the windows. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. The bedroom has a 55-inch TV, plenty of outlets, there's also a little desk area, and more of that Japanese-style artwork that we saw in the living room. There is another ice bucket, more glasses, and additional complimentary water. Under the TV, there's a refrigerator that you can use for your own food and drinks. Between the bedroom and the bathroom, there's a separated vanity area, and they provide these very nice robes. The bathroom is bright, modern, and extremely relaxing. I really like the oversized vessel sinks and the overall zen design. There's a large bathtub, and they even provide a loofah. You also get a dental kit, shaving kit, extra towels, and there's a hair dryer underneath the sink. The toilet is in a separated room. The lid opens automatically when you approach it, and it also has a bidet functions. The shower is another highlight. I love the elegant black tile, and I'm glad that it has a bench and a handheld shower head. This is something you don't see in many hotels, and these are the products that they provide. And this isn't just a regular shower, it's also a steam shower. You press this button, wait a few minutes, and the entire shower fills with steam. Inside the closet, there's a safe, 2 more robes, slippers, an umbrella, a yoga mat, a clothes steamer, and an extra blanket. And of course, I also did my blacklight test, and the bed was very clean. I didn't find any stains on the sheets or the mattress. In the living room, however, I did find some stains on the couches. I also found some marks around one of the bathroom sinks. The toilet itself was very clean, although the wall behind it could have used some more attention. One thing this suite doesn't have is a view. Most of the windows face directly towards another section of the building. Nobu doesn't have its own dedicated pool, but guests can use the Caesar's Palace Garden of the Gods pool complex. It's one of the best pool areas in Las Vegas with 7 pools, bars, and cabanas available to rent. Nobu does have its own small gym located on the check-in floor. It's fairly limited, but you can also use the much larger Caesars Palace Fitness Center. So should you stay at Nobu Hotel on your next Vegas trip? Let's rate it using my 5-category rating system. First, location. Nobu is inside Caesars Palace, right in the center of the Las Vegas Strip. It's within walking distance of many major hotels, restaurants, attractions, and shows. So for location, Nobu gets 5 out of 5 stars. Next, amenities and food. Because Nobu is located inside Caesars Palace, you have access to an incredible pool complex, a large fitness center, a spa, the Forum shops, a huge casino, entertainment, Omnia nightclub and day club, and plenty of restaurants and bars. Nobu also has its own smaller gym and guest happy hour. There's also the Bacchanal buffet. The only downside is that almost every food option here is expensive, even the food court. So amenities and food gets 4.5 out of 5 stars. For room quality, I stayed in a huge, elegant suite with a bar, pool table, separated media room, comfortable bedroom, beautiful bathroom, and even a steam shower. The only thing missing was the view. So room quality gets 4.5 out of 5 stars. For cleanliness, the bed, sheets, mattress, and most of the bathroom were very clean. I did find some stains on the couches, countertop, sink area, and walls. So cleanliness gets 4 out of 5 stars. And finally, value. Because I received an upgrade, I was obviously very happy with the value of my stay. However, Nobu's standard rooms are often priced similarly to rooms in the Caesars Palace. And in my opinion, the Nobu rooms look more modern and luxurious. For a similar price, I would personally choose Nobu. So value gets 4.3 out of 5 stars. This gives Nobu Hotel a final score of 4.5 out of 5 stars. So would I stay here again if I get the right price? Yes. If I could get upgraded to a suite like this again, absolutely. Between a standard room at Caesars Palace and a similarly priced room at Nobu, I would choose Nobu. The rooms feel newer, more stylish, and much more luxurious. So what do you guys think? Would you like to stay at the Nobu Hotel? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know which hotel you would like me to review next. If you want to check out my review of the Caesars Palace room, I will link it down below. Staying at a Caesars room is definitely a very different experience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.